Now we are going to cover the modal verb would. The most common usage of would is to express hypothetical action. In other words, not real action, imaginary action, something that is not going to happen. For example, I wouldn't buy a Lamborghini even if I had money. I wouldn't buy is a hypothetical action because this guy doesn't even have the money to buy it. He imagines that even if he had money, he wouldn't buy a Lamborghini. None of it is real, only imaginary. Another example, I would quit immediately if you told me something like that. It's another hypothetical situation. An employee tells his boss that he would quit. If his boss told him something, probably it is something very bad. This employee believes that it's never going to happen. He thinks of this situation as something unreal. It's totally imaginary. I would quit. Another common usage of would is to express a repeated or habitual action in the past. For example, when I was a kid, my father and I would go fishing every Sunday. This is a repeated action in the past. It's a past habit, which no longer happens. My father and I would go fishing. Another example, I tried talking to her, but she wouldn't listen to me. That's a repeated past action. He tried talking to his girlfriend and a number of times, but she repeatedly didn't listen. She wouldn't listen to me is a repeated action of not listening in the past, okay? We also use would to make a request, usually in the form of a question. For example, would you call my mom to tell her that I'm okay? Meaning, I'm requesting that you call my mom. I'm asking you to call my mom to tell her that I am okay. One more example. Would you pour me some more wine, please? Meaning, I'm asking you to pour me some more wine. Would is also used to make a polite expression, just to sound more humble or polite. For example, I would really appreciate you not interfering in my business. That's a very polite form of stop interfering in my business. Another example, I can help you with your exam. Oh, that would be great. The student is being polite. When he says, that would be great, he means your help will be great, okay? One more useful meaning of would is to show that you are not certain about something, to show that you are guessing. For example, hey, do you know what this Chinese character means? That would be a door if I'm not mistaken. Meaning, I guess it's a door, but I might be wrong. One more example. She said she was going to fire that fat short guy. I don't know who she had in mind. Hey man, that would be you. What he means is that this guy matches the description. He's not 100% sure, though, that he is the one their boss described. He's just guessing. That's it for now. Stay tuned for another useful grammar lesson.